Hi there. Welcome back. This is Yellow, Bob's friend. He needs help understanding commas. He calls them confusing commas. What about you? Let's go. Commas are used for pauses. We use commas to join independent clauses which are separated using coordinating conjunctions. We know them as fanboys. This is what fanboys stands for. Example, you can have dinner but you have to shower first. Bob went to the shops and we went to the circus. We also use it to separate items in a list. Bob walks slowly, quietly, and carefully at night in the middle of a forest. Amelia, Esther, and Johan are doing their homework. Guys, good job. We use commas after introductory clauses or phrases. Example, when you are ready, let's go to the shops. The comma helps us in 3 ways here as shown here. When Sonia was ready to sit on the chair, the cat jumped on it. Near the forest, we discovered a hidden cave. About to write the test, Ethan thought about something. We use it to give extra information. Amara, who is a good girl, likes eating pizza. The words between the commas are extra information. Peterborough, which is in the UK, has many schools. Stephen went to the beach, which was in Dorset, and brought back some shells. We use commas before beginning direct speech. Mom said, "Don't be late." Josh said, "What goes around comes around." Dad said, "I don't want food today." Do you know that if you misplace a comma, it can lead to disastrous events? We are going to show you some. I will first ask you and our team here at Febby's to be absolutely quiet for the next 1 minute. The sentence, "Commas are important people," mean that commas are people and they are important. Whereas the next one is telling all you people that commas are important. See how a comma changes things? Shush. Quiet, guys. Look at this one. The first sentence states that someone enjoys cooking their family and pets, which is weird, isn't it? The second one states what the person likes doing. You have heard of Kung Fu Panda, haven't you? The first sentence states what the panda eats, whereas the panda in the second sentence is an action hero who eats, shoots, and then leaves. You have heard the story of Hansel and Gretel, right? The first one is talking about something similar, whereas the second one is teaching the kids to do something. We hope you have understood that commas are very important. We will be back soon with more videos. Until then, stay safe.